Hello guys, क्या हाल चाल? We have a great openings in Aurangabad for data engineers. Multiple openings are there for data engineers. This is for the data engineers. If we go for this, it is from the fresher world. It is in Aurangabad. If you have 3+ years of experience, you can apply for this. This is the JD for that job description. If you have some experience in MS Office Excel tool, you can apply for this Python, RDBMS, Big Data, or NoSQL. And in this, you have skills. You have a graduate, 4 to 6 years of experience, strong knowledge in SQL, MS Office tools, strong background in automation for reports. If you have this, if you know the Power BI, Tableau, any one of this, you can apply for this. And the experience required is 3+ years. It is full time, and the interview will be face-to-face interview. So just go there and apply. You will definitely get the jobs. Now the second opening is for the data science engineer. It is also in Aurangabad and for freshers. Years of experience is 0. Freshers also can apply in data science engineering. It is located in Aurangabad. This is the job description. It is full time. Interview will be face to face. Fresher can apply. This is for the freshers. It is a big opening in Aurangabad for the data science engineer. So apply now. Now the third opening is for the specialist data engineer's job. It is also for freshers and it is in Aurangabad. This is the job description. Role is IT software engineer. Interview will be face to face and fresher can apply. This is a big opening in Aurangabad for the freshers. Those who are in Aurangabad, just apply for this. Interview will be face to face. So just hit the apply button and apply for this. Just click on apply and fill the basic details. Add your resume in that and apply.
ये है हमारा ऑफिशियली टेलीग्राम चैनल, यहाँ पर भी आप जाके हमें फॉलो कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे भी आपको लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स मिलेंगे और हमारा व्हाट्सएप चैनल भी है, यहाँ पर भी आपको जॉब रिलेटेड अपडेट्स मिलेंगे। तो जल्द से जल्द आप है तो हमें व्हाट्सएप, टेलीग्राम और इंस्टाग्राम यहाँ पर फॉलो कर सकते हो और आपको जॉब रिलेटेड ऑल द डिटेल्स यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगी।